Hey guys, we're at 523 Berlin Road in New Oxford, Pennsylvania. And this house has a treat. So, I'm not going to spoil it for you guys, but you'll see what I mean when we get inside. So, let's go take a look. I'm a huge fan of these little details, like this light switch, hand painted. Very large, spacious kitchen in here. Really nice wood cabinetry. Now, one of the first things I noticed about this house is how much storage space there is. This is the main hall here. Now, a couple of rooms in the house upstairs have this really ornate built-in cabinetry for the office aficionado. Look at that. Lots of spacious storage in here. It's a nice linen closet in the upstairs bath. Full bath, by the way. It's got this classic tile to it. Interesting heating unit. There's another one of those in the house downstairs. Now let's check out the basement. Now you know me, I'm a huge fan of a home bar, and this has a large home bar in it. Now remember I told you guys there's a treat in this house. Wait till you see this. it has a built-in sauna. Now you guys know how I feel about built-in saunas, and to me, that takes it up to another level. Very large, spacious one-car garage here, built into the house. Now, there are garages that are detached as well, and we'll go over that in a moment. Tons of storage space. And there's a fully fleshed out attic, completely cleaned out. So it's got a garage door in the front and a garage door in the back. And one last time, guys, because I know I didn't mention it hard enough, there's a built-in sauna. Just take a second to remind yourself that this is part of the house. And that any time that you want to finish enjoying a nice drink at the built-in bar just on the other side of this wall, you can come and enjoy yourself for a nice sauna. So guys, there's a lot of unique features about this house. Phenomenal property. Again, built-in sauna, right? Built-in bars, tons of space, tons of storage. It's a very unique property. A lot of nice outdoor spaces. Just a great place to be. So, and a great location too, right? New Oxford is not far from Gettysburg. It's right in the countryside, tons of space, tons of open air. Give me a call, you know where to look me up, and we can get you into this place, all right? So that way you can start enjoying your very own built-in sauna too.